Opinion of the referee. Now, what can they do from this free kick situation? Oh yes! It's gone in!
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
Very much looking forward to this game as Barcelona get the proceedings underway. Felipe. Jordi Alba. De Jong. Neymar. Kimmich. Smalling. Thiago. Excellent use of the ball as they make their way forward. And is this the moment for Lewandowski? Well, no accuracy at all in terms of the shot unleashed.
Well, it's the care and attention, all that work to get in the position and then way wide.
Michael Ballack. Joshua Kimmich. Ramsey. Henry. Ballack. Kimmich. Ramsey. And caught by the keeper. And fine work from Paris Saint-Germain to win the ball back. Couldn't keep the ball. Messi. Smalling. Lionel Messi. Kimmich. Lewandowski. Barcelona now and potentially well kept out. Firing it towards goal. Oh, good work to deny the opportunity. Desailly averting the danger. Wonderful chance. And a goal to open the scoring. No wonder they're celebrating. So the match has restarted. 1-0 here. Bender. And Schmeichel will take that all day long. So 2 minutes of stoppage time here. That is that for the first half here.
Please remind you that racism will not be tolerated in any form, and offenders will be removed from the stadium and may face prosecution.
Off they go in the second half with Paris Saint-Germain trailing. Lionel Messi. Kimmich. Messi. Going about his defensive business with a minimum of fuss. Lewandowski. PSG doing well to win it back. Kimmich. That's how to blunt the edge of the opposing attack. Frenkie de Jong. Neymar. And Neymar with teammates to help him. The ball back with PSG now. And we're inside the final 30 minutes. Michael Ballack. Bender. Joshua Kimmich. Advantage Barcelona. And a play for a Paris Saint-Germain throw-in. Kimmich. Michael Ballack. Well, that's gone out, and it is going to be a goal kick. Kimmich. De Jong. Neymar. 15 minutes remaining. Henry. Messi. PSG looking dangerous. Neymar. And it's a weighted pass over the top for Robert Lewandowski. Ballack. Lionel Messi. Couldn't keep it. Messi. Thiago. De Jong. Lewandowski. Frankie de Jong.
Fourth official has indicated...
Lionel Messi. A no-nonsense defensive clearance. The referee blows for full time. It ends in a victory for the home team. No complaints from the fans here.